What's going on, team? Welcome back. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is not a update video. If you are looking for one of them, it'll be coming soon. It's currently the 22nd, so almost the end of the month. This is a different video, as you can tell by the title. Trading 212 have had a massive update, and I'm going to show you how and what it is and how you can earn more money from dividends as well. So before we get into it, please hit that like button. Also subscribe if you are new or if you haven't already. Here is a nice little pie I've got going in my portfolio. So it's investing £1 or $1 if you're in America every day for a year and see what happens. So I'll be doing a video on this in the future. So if that's something you want to do, then make sure you are subscribed. As you can see here, I've currently invested £30. So what's that? So I'm currently 6 weeks in. I've basically earned 10 pence so far in 6 weeks. I have invested into Main Street Capital, so it is a monthly paying dividends, so hopefully that will start growing, and auto invest is turned on, so that will just start compounding, and over the year that will boom. But enough of that, that's another video in itself. But trading 212 have 2 updates. One has already started and one is coming soon. So the one they've currently done is you're now able to earn interest on the money that is in your account. So not the stuff that is invested. So as you can see here, I currently have £7,550 invested. That I won't earn interest on. It's the stuff that's in my free funds, so just sat in my account, not invested just yet. But obviously, that's £7,000 I'm earning dividends on, so I'm happy with that anyway. I'm getting money from that, but it's stuff that is in my account, my free funds, that's not invested. I'm now earning interest on that, doing nothing. And how to find that out is, if you're on the app, if you go to the bottom right where it's got the 3 lines, click on that, and then your main menu will pop up. If you're on the website like I am now, go up to the top right, click on the menu, and as you can see here, the second one is earn interest on cash. It's in exactly the same place as on the app, so you click on that, and obviously you can then start earning interest on your cash. And as pays much, they pay interest daily. So every day they will pay you interest. Depends where you are in the world on the rate you get paid. But in the UK, the current rate they are paying out is 1.65%. And that's roughly what I'm earning currently from my uninvested cash. So in my free funds, I currently have £3.82 sat in my reinvested cash, and then every day I'm earning 0.00173 pence from my uninvested cash. So that will just keep rolling over every day until I earn a minimum of 1 penny. So when I earn 1 penny, I will then get paid that. So, and obviously here in your earnings, it'll show you how much you've earned, and then payments, it'll show you what payments Trading 212's paid you out. So obviously, the more money you have sat here, the more money you will be earning. But obviously, I'm not going to transfer all my money from my bank into my account, my Trading 212 account, because you can get better interest rates. in other savings accounts, but it's nice now that you can earn money by having money sat in your account, which is a nice little bonus. Like I said, I have money sat here, so if I get paid dividends, most of my dividends get reinvested anyway. But there's some companies that just go straight into my free funds, and they sit there until I want to invest them in the future. So if I see a stock that I like drops, I buy that when they're at a low, and stuff like that. So it's nice to start earning interest on this here. You can cash out here. So if you click on that, don't pay me interest. Trading 212 won't pay you interest. But why wouldn't you earn interest on your money sat in your account? I don't know. So this is something new. Basically, trading 212 has been obviously have been earning interest on the money for years, but now they're given us half of it. So obviously they have their money sat in a bank. That bank pays them interest on the money, but obviously Trading 212 is basically now giving half of that interest back to us as customers. So that's where this interest has come from. Like I said, Trading 212 has always been earning interest on our funds. They're now just giving back to us, which is nice. There is a facts page there if you want to check on that. And then if there are any questions or answers you're looking for, they're there. Like I said, if you want to opt out, they're there. Like I said, the interest rate varies on where you are in the world. If you go to the Trading 212 website, it is there. Like I said, the daily interest, they only pay out once you reach like over a penny. As you can see here, daily interest falls below a penny. It will accumulate until reaching a penny or more. So it'll just keep building until you reach that penny, then it'll pay you out. And this happens every day, or pretty much every day after 2200 hours UK time. So that is pretty much the update on Trading 212. The second update that is coming soon is I think it's buyback shares. So you can, if you have a number of shares, so let's say you have 1,000 shares of Coca-Cola, I think you can then put them basically, how to word, like for sale or to trade, and then another investor will buy those shares off you, and then basically if that share goes up to a certain amount or drops below a certain amount, you get them back, or the investor that's bought them off you keep them. So it's a way of you making money if you do hold a large amount of shares of a certain company. Other platforms have been doing it for a while. Trading 212 is going to incorporate it soon. It's not released just yet. I haven't got the full breakdown of that, but I will be doing a video on that once that update comes out. But for now, this is the first update. And like I said, earning interest on your money sat in your account. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button if you haven't already, and then also subscribe. And also, if you want to join Trading 212, my link is in the description box below. If you want to join me on my Invest £1 a day challenge, again, I will put the link to this pie in the description box. You can just jump over and start doing the same thing as me, investing £1 a day for a year, and see what happens.